All right, you guys, as you can see, Pops did an excellent job on this paint. All right, what's up, everybody? My name is Justin, Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through 3 of our next flips. This is a 2000 Ford Ranger, 117,000 miles. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this one first is because this one's going to need the least amount of work. Super low miles, 117,000. We're just going to do a quick detail on the inside. Pops is going to work his magic with all of the scratches and everything. It's going to go pretty quickly. This will be our first flip. What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through everything that we do in order to flip vehicles as quick as possible. I do want to mention this. The day after I posted this, after we detailed it, we sold it. So I already have all the video of us selling it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a like goal on this video. If this video gets 300 likes, I will drop the video of me selling it tomorrow. And let me tell you, the guy that I sold it to was a very tough negotiator and actually got the negotiation on camera. So what I'm going to do for that video is it's a little bit of a vlog, but we sold it very quickly, so it's not much of a vlog, but I'm also going to break down the selling process, the negotiation, and a couple of the small things that happen within those negotiations, some of the stuff that I like to do. So if you're watching this right now and you want to see that sooner rather than later, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me. Like I said, at 300 likes, I'll go ahead and drop that video. But let's go ahead and talk through some of the steps that we like to take when detailing out these cars in order to get them sold as quickly as possible. The first thing that you guys saw was the engine wash down. So every time we get a new vehicle that we're selling, we take it to the car wash. We do an engine wash down, as well as we wash out all of the inside of the doors, the gas cap, just basically get within all the crevices that we probably wouldn't be able to hit once we get back to the house. We could do it with a pressure washer, but setting it up and everything, it just is a lot quicker if we go there, put a little change in, and rinse everything down. So that's really the first step that we like to take. Once the vehicle is kind of dried off, we take it back to the house. Obviously, Dad put the buffer on it, as you guys saw there, and I'm kind of working the inside. As you guys saw from the beginning of the video, there really wasn't a ton of work that needed to be done on this little Ford Ranger in order to get it ready to go for sale. My dad bought this one really well. If you guys, like I said, want to know more about the buying, how much we bought it for, all that, that's all going to be within that selling video. I'll let you guys know exactly how much money I made and everything. And I was kind of talking to my dad about this as we were cleaning it up. We've kind of come up with a system for cleaning these that makes it very quick. We don't do anything super fancy. We just get to work and we do a good job on the inside. I like to come through, vacuum. I'll spot treat any spots that need to be cleaned with my Bissell Spot Clean Pro, as well as I like to take these magic erasers. I come through, wipe up any of those black marks that you might see in there, anything that looks dirty, wipe it out, and then I come back through with this spray that's called Coverall, and it basically gives the entire inside kind of like a little bit of a shiny finish, but it's not as bad as what might be like tire shine. So that's just something I like to use. You know, there's definitely better ways to detail, but we just do our best practices, and it comes out looking really good. As you guys are going to see here, once we get to the end of the video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of what the vehicle looked like when it was all detailed. So that was pretty much my process on the inside. Come through, hit all those black marks, take up all the dirt within the inside, come back through with the coverall, really shine everything up, make it look new and fresh, and then we spot treated the inside. My dad does the buffing on the outside. I'll be honest, I don't know the buffing process that much because we've pretty much done all these flips as a team. I do the inside, he does the outside, and as you guys can see here, I'm working on some of the rims, getting that all cleaned up, and I had to do a little bit the next day to finish it out. If you guys are interested in seeing the sale video, let's get this video to 300 likes and I will drop it tomorrow. All right, you guys, we just got done detailing the Red Ranger. We're about to take some final pics. Before we do that, though, I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around, show you how we like to detail these cars before we post them up for sale to get the most amount of return on our money. So let's go and take a look at this one. All right, you guys, as you can see, Pops did an excellent job on this paint. I mean, this paint is absolutely spotless. Not to mention, it's awesome that we had the white walls out on this one. Rims look great as well. As you guys will see, we have our signature right there. We always do these little Ford front plates. So if you see a truck with the Ford front plate, it could potentially be ours. I'm not sure. So anyway, paint looks great. Pops, can you pop the hood? And we'll kind of come around here. I'm going to show you guys the sides. This back bed cover was probably purchased with the truck, and it is a beauty. I've never actually seen one exactly like that, but it's color matched, so I'm pretty sure it was purchased with the truck. So we'll take a look at the engine as well. A lot of people say you shouldn't pressure wash these engines, but my dad's been doing it for a long time, and we've had nothing but success up until this point, so knock on wood. But as you can see, the engine looks incredibly good. It looks like it was well kept for a long time, which it was. This is probably one of the cleanest ones that we've had yet. I mean, man, this thing looks good. I can't wait to take the pictures of it, get this thing posted up for sale. I'll give you guys a quick peek on the inside of the truck. And as you guys can see, just came out phenomenally well. I've never seen these floor mats before. I wish that we could buy 100 of them. If you guys know where I can get some floor mats like these, let me know, because I just think that they're awesome. But as you guys can see, I mean, this thing just came out beautiful. I just spot cleaned the seats and a couple little spots on the carpet, but this is probably one of the best interiors that we've ever had. And I'll kind of give you guys a dash view, a little bit of a dash view right there. As you can see, everything just came out perfectly. It's as close to new as we can get it. Obviously, door jambs, as I tell you guys all the time, extremely important. And yeah, kind of take you guys around the back so you can take a little look at it. All in all, came out great. Pops, any final words for him?
Flip it.
Flip it. Okay, sweet. Okay, you guys, so that's it. If you guys want to see me actually sell this and see how much I paid for it, how much we put into it, all that kind of great stuff, make sure to click the subscribe button. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below, flip it, and I'll hashtag you a real one. We're going to do a part 2 of this and show you guys what the black one looks like all finished out. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a comment down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.